Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the water guide in your GE dishwasher, you will need a 1/4-inch drill driver or nut driver. Extend the upper rack assembly. Gently pry the tabs open to release the end caps on the slide rails. Now you can remove the rack. Remove the bottom rack. Unthread the 2 1/4-inch screws from the docking port. Remove the water guide from the diverter. Unclip the docking port from the guide. To install the new water guide, snap the docking port onto the guide. Insert the water guide back into the diverter. Align the docking port and rethread the 2 screws. Set the lower rack assembly back into the dishwasher. Insert the sliders between the rollers to set the rack. Snap the end caps back onto the slide rails. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.